Hey, what's up? So, this is our game. It's called Remnants of the Dawn. R is myself, Steven, and my friend Andrew. We decided to work together to create a game, and our goal was to create a game in as short of an amount of time as possible while still trying to have some quality control in there. Both of us need to earn money to make a living, and we can't unfortunately spend all of our time making games. We would both love to. Anyway, this is a collaborative project that we had together, and our goal was to try to make a fun game and do it in a short amount of time. And hopefully, we can make enough money for us to be able to do it again. I don't know that everything that we need is here for us to make enough money, but we'll see what happens. One thing that I know is that we definitely succeeded and we were able to create a game. Considering we had no game design document pre-drawn before we started and we basically freestyled this entire project, I think it came out pretty good. For me, it was mostly a test of competency. I wanted to make sure that I can start and complete a project in a short amount of time and see what kind of quality level it has. I am actually pretty happy with the outcome of the game. It's not super long. You can actually play through the game in about an hour and a half, which is, to me, what we were going for. I wanted to make sure that anybody who played the game had a similar experience to if they went to the movies. So you pay 10 or 15 bucks, you go see a movie, and it's about an hour and a half. Most movies are actually not even an hour and a half nowadays. They're usually about 75 minutes. So that was our target, and I think we hit that nail on the head. We're currently waiting. We've reached out to a lot of publishers to see if we could find somebody who is willing to collaborate with us. We've also reached out to some marketers. We're just kind of really evaluating all of our options, and we want to see what is on the table. Our goal is to obtain a publisher and some type of revenue for funding for a future project, but I don't know if we can obtain that. Our backup plan, which is kind of our primary plan, is to self-publish the game. That was always the goal from the beginning. We just, like I said, wanted to see what other options we have. I'm kind of looking forward to self-publishing. I'll have a digital game asset that I can play with. From a marketing perspective, it'll be interesting to work on marketing that and seeing what happens. Having that experience is better than speculating on it. This is a stepping stone for me and for Andrew. And I think we did a great job in a short amount of time, considering there was no planning. I will probably be doing a lot of development logs related to this game. If you're a subscriber to the channel and you're interested in game development, you could let me know what some of the things you're interested in seeing and having some insight as to how we created the different systems in the game. The game is finished. We actually finished it around July 1st. I think the next major step is wait a little bit and continue to get rejection letters from publishers or to not hear anything at all from publishers. We will be releasing our game probably in early September is my guess. At that point, it'll be available for sale on Steam. I don't know if it's going to come to other platforms. Probably going to do a Linux and a Mac launch as well. Right now, the game's only for PC. I don't think it'll be very hard to port. Might need to replace some shaders or something. It should be a straightforward process. The game programming is done, and I don't foresee any major issues in releasing to Mac or Linux. If anybody is interested in buying the game, you could wishlist it. Just go to Steam. The game's called Remnants of the Dawn. I'll provide a link in the video description. If you'd like to wishlist it, that could always help us. If you're interested in future development logs, let me know some of the content you might like to see. I'll probably just be doing generic content if I don't hear much feedback. Anyway, thanks for checking out Remnants of the Dawn, and I'll see you later.